Here this is decimal point. So tell me the name of the places.
Ma'am, right side
Yes.
one
Ma'am, five
one's
ones,
place.
three tenths, and 200th.
Wah Rehan, wah.
Ma'am, Rehan, no,
Rehan
I and
nahi.
Hassan.
I
Ma'am, I
means
and
who?
Hassan. Ma'am,
I
Nakul,
means
Ragib,
Ragib,
Hassan and
Ragib.
Hassan.
okay. Then this,
Tenth place, tenth.
Tenth.
this.
One
100th.
hundred.
100th.
Now mute your mic. I think so only two students have given the answer, Hassan and Ragib. So means they only remember the name of the places. On Monday only we have revised. And I don't remember who were present on Monday, but those who were present, at least they give the answer. Okay?
मैम
So
कुछ बोलने तो दे ये लोग को.
ले भाई एक साथ बोले ना, मैंने कब बना किया? जब मैं नाम एक एक कर लूँ ना तब
बोले
एक एक.
ना. ठीक है चल आप शुरू करो.
हाँ, so those who forgot, just revise this name of the places, because that day I told you that this point is a decimal point, and on the right side these both are tenth and hundredth, so that th you remember, and these are the normal name of the places which you already learned. So just revise, then we will start next.
ओके.
Ma'am, revise.
Yes, what?
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, over revised.
Okay, and where is Mahir? You never gave me answer. On Monday you told me that you are doing Diwali homework, so you are not giving answer. तो फिर मैंने तुझे दिवाली होमवर्क करने दिया, but right now at least give the answer. I asked you that how was the paper, you never told me.
यस मैम वो प्रेजेंट है.
Mahir,
वो जानबूझ के आवाज नहीं दे रहा.
it's okay, but so now revision
हाँ
time is
अच्छा.
over.
ओके.
So now how we are doing multiplication of that normal numbers, the same way we have to do multiplication of the decimal numbers also. So here few points are given. And those who want to read this, just write their name in the chat box that I can ask you turn by turn. Those
मैम
who
मैं
want to,
आपको बताऊंगा.
हाँ. If you got the name, then tell me the first one.
मैं अभी माहिर ने लिखा माहिर भरूचा साजिद भरूचा की आईडी में.
हाँ, okay.
भरूचा माहिर फाइन पेपर ऐसा लिखा है.
Okay. If you got any other name for reading, then tell me.
नकवी रागी बसन.
Okay, Ragib, you have to read that first paragraph
Okay, ma'am.
from the head. From the.
Multiplying without models. Mr. Sharma makes a healthy milkshake with fruit for her family every morning for breakfast. She uses 1.25 liter of milk to do this. How much milk does she use in a week?
Hmm. Now you can mute the mic. So here it is written that Mrs. Sharma make a healthy milkshake with fruit for her family every morning for breakfast. So सबके घर में जो मम्मी होते वही बनाते हैं, but here also this housewife, she is a housewife, that Mrs. Sharma, and she is only making that milkshake. तो मिल्क शेक में जो जो चीज़ों की ज़रूरत होती है, फ्रूट और मिल्क और एनीथिंग एल्स, तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ मिल्क का दिया है कि इतना मिल्क चाहिए पूरी फैमिली के लिए. लाइक इफ देर आर 4 मेंबर 5 मेंबर्स, एक एक मेंबर का नहीं दिया है, बट सम मेंबर का मिला के बोला है कि एक दिन में वो इतना लीटर मिल्क यूज करते हैं सिर्फ मिल्क शेक बनाने के लिए. So now they are asking about how much milk does she use in a week. So in a week, how many days are there in 1 week?
7.
Seven.
7.
7.
So here it is given of 7 weeks, and here this 1.25 liter is given for 1 day. So that day I think we have done this also, and I asked to give you one example that if your mother is giving 10 rupees every day to you, 10 rupees every day to you, so how much you will get for 1 week? रोज 10-10 रुपए देते हो तो एक हफ्ते के कितने रुपीज हुए? 70.
70.
हाँ, so
7.
typically, हाँ, 10 sevens are 70. The same way, here we have to multiply 1.25 multiply by 7. Why 7? Because in 1 week there are 7 days, and they are asking about 1 week. So now here some steps are given for multiplication. You can see here it is written multiplying without model. So we have to multiply. Step 1, step 2, and step 3. Ahad, did you get any other name for reading?
Sama Mohammad Z.
Okay, Sama Muhammad said you have to read first 2 steps.
Step 1. Multiply as in whole numbers. Ignoring the decimal. Step 2. Count the total number of decimals placed in both number.
Good. Now you can mute the mic. So step 1 is that multiply as in whole number, ignoring the decimal. Ignoring means उसके सामने ध्यान नहीं देना है.
Count the
I think
total
so most
number
of
of
you know. So mostly most of you knows only this word ignoring. Ignoring मतलब उसके सामने ध्यान नहीं देना. तो यहाँ पे किसके सामने ध्यान नहीं देना है? डेसिमल पॉइंट के सामने ध्यान नहीं देना है. तो यहाँ पे डेसिमल पॉइंट के सामने ध्यान नहीं दोगे तो ये हो जाएगा 125 multiply by 7. Like if you will not pay attention to that and you will ignore that decimal point, so you have to multiply 125 multiply by 7. That is step 1. So now we will do step 1, okay? Only step 1. तो स्टेप 1 अभी सब रफ बुक में करो ये वाला, because this is multiplication only and most of you know also. And those who forgot multiplication, they will wait, and other those who remember, they can try in the rough book. This step 1. And 2 minutes, I think so, it's enough. And after finishing, just tell me.
Here we have to do it practical or only write we have to
In
this
rough book.
step 1.
Only step 1, this one.
No ma'am, we have to do that practical or we have to only write that number.
Solve that word.
Okay ma'am, okay ma'am. I'm solved. Mission Kapasi.
Very good.
Ma'am, I also
Very good.
मैं अब माहिर को बुलाओ तो वो दूसरे आईडी में ज्वाइन हुआ इसलिए.
Mahi, if you want to share about your experience, how was the paper, then tell. Arman also, you also never said. How was the maths paper?
fine.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, done Pariyani Shafiq.
Very good.
Ma'am, my whole multiplication over.
Very good. Now only 30 seconds.
Can I read Arman Gori's, ma'am?
ચેટ બોક્સમાં લખી નાખ.
Now
Can I
time is
read Arman Gori?
હા હા.
nahi,
read
right
kar
now
do
we
guys?
are just solving this. So
Oh.
1 1 to 1 1 student. So Arman, you only tell me first step.
मैम
Step five.
क्या है मैम
मैम ये माहिर भाई बोल रहा है आपको.
जरूर क्या है
Bye or hi?
भाई नहीं बोल रहा हूँ भाई नहीं बोल रहा हूँ
પછી
क्या काम था
Yeah, how was your maths
पेपर
paper?
कैसा गया वो पूछ रहे थे.
नहीं
क्यों तेरे को वंदा पड़ गया तो अब नहीं पूछेंगे.
तूने मंडे को बोला था कि तू दिवाली होमवर्क कर रहा है, तो फिर मैंने तुझे इतना बुलाया नहीं था. You only told me when I was taking maths lecture. You told me that you are doing maths that Diwali homework.
हाँ अच्छे हाँ विजय इतना
मैम यू डोंट गिव परमिशन फॉर दिवाली होमवर्क.
यस मैम
Okay. Now Arman, you told me no 7 by
Yes, ma'am. 35.
मैम मैं स्मार्ट बॉय में ही अब गुस्सा करूंगा पर मैं मेरे लैपटॉप में करूंगा फिर अब आवाज आएंगी
Okay.
इसलिए मैम
Okay.
आपको आवाज नहीं आती
7 5
Now Arman, where
35.
should I write 35? Arman, 35, where should I write 3 and 5? 35 में से 5 कहाँ रखूँ, 3 कहाँ रखूँ?
5 नीचे और 2 के ऊपर 3.
Very good. Now next step, Sama Mohammad Zaid. Zaid, do you want to solve next step? Okay, Hassan.
Ma'am, I am
Yes, ma'am.
Shafiq.
Yes, ma'am.
Still don't write, Shafiq. Still we have so many sums. So your turn also I will take. हाँ Hassan.
Ma'am, Hassan tell.
हाँ.
Yes. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3 17.
हाँ. So where should I write 17?
7 down and 1 carry.
Very good. Now next Shafiq, you tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Next step. 1.
7 1 carry 8.
So you can see here
875. 875.
875 and here also they have given 875. They have not put the decimal point. You can see 875. Now step 2 I am explaining. So I am only reading right now. Count the total number of decimal places. Decimal places means that after decimal point, this side, right side, tenth and hundredth. that are decimal places. So we have to count. You can see here it is written. Count the decimal places. That how many are there total. So we will count that. That in our question, after decimal point, how many decimal places are there. So now I'm just rubbing
Ma'am,
this
two.
sum. You can see here they have calculated. You can see here in the bracket is written 2 decimal places because after decimal point, how many places are there? How many places are there after decimal point in 1.25?
110.
100.
10th. हाँ, so these both 10th and 100th, 2 places.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you can see in the bracket given 2 decimal places. Then in this 7, how many decimal places?
0.
0. So you can
No,
see
ma'am.
here.
No.
So
क्वेश्चन
total,
पूछो ना यार.
everyone can give the answer. If whenever I just particularly if I say the name, then particular student. So 2 plus 0 that is total 2. So step 2 also complete. Step 2 is written that count total number of decimal places. So we have counted that total there are 2 decimal places. So step 2 is also over. Now Arman, you wanted to read no?
Yes, ma'am.
So read step 3.
Step 3. Starting from the right, count the same number of decimal place in the product and place the decimal point there.
Hmm.
Answer. Mr. Sharma used 8.75 L of milk for the milkshake during
During
the
the
week.
week. And I don't know you know or not, MR and MRS. This MRS means Mrs. Because
Yes, ma'am. MRS means Mrs. and MR means Mr.
good. So this is Mrs. Sharma and this L means what? This L.
L means L Sharma.
Later.
Sorry.
Upside you can see here I have when I was reading this I said 1.25 liter of milk, and every time milk, petrol, water, all the liquid things are measured in liter or milliliter. All the liquid, so it's
Yes,
liter.
ma'am. This is in third standard.
Yes.
You were only studying math.
Huh. Uh, so now I'm explaining step 3, starting from the right. So from right side, this is our answer. So in our answer, we have to start from right side. So from right side, count the same number of decimal places. So we got 2 decimal places, so we have to count 2 digits. So 875, in that from right side 2 digits. From
Yes.
right side 2 digits. So this 5 also and this 7 also. And there we have to place a decimal point. So after 5, after 7, we have to put decimal point. So 8, then point and then 75. So that's why you can see in the answer here 8.75 is written. So these are the steps. Now just I'm giving 2 minutes again revise these points, means steps. That first point you have to ignore that point, और नॉर्मल नंबर है ना वैसा मान के मल्टीप्लाई करना है, ऐसा नहीं कि 1.25 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7, बट 125 हो ना वैसे करना है, डेसिमल पॉइंट के सामने नहीं देखना है. स्टेप 1 इग्नोर दैट एंड मल्टीप्लाई, तो उसके सामने नहीं देखना है, डेसिमल पॉइंट के सामने और मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. देन स्टेप 2 के काउंट करना है कि क्वेश्चन में डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद कितने प्लेसेस है राइट साइड. और स्टेप 3 आंसर मिल जाए उसमें राइट साइड से उतने डिजिट छोड़ के पॉइंट रखना है. सो जस्ट रिवाइज, देन वी विल डू नेक्स्ट.
What, ma'am?
Let's revise these steps. Step 1, that we
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
ignore that decimal point and multiply. Then we will got normal answer. Step 2, we have to count in the
Yes, ma'am.
question, that in the question after decimal point how many places are there. And step 3, in the answer from right side we have to put decimal point. स्टेप 1 है कि जिसमें डेसिमल पॉइंट को ध्यान नहीं देना है, नॉर्मल तरीके से मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. स्टेप 2 में क्वेश्चन में ही काउंट करना है, ये क्वेश्चन दिया है उसमें डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद कितने प्लेसेस है. और स्टेप 3 के आंसर है उसमें हमें डेसिमल पॉइंट वापस लगाना है.
मैम इसके बाद आप स्मॉल टेस्ट लोगे?
मे बी आई डोंट थिंक सो, मे बी आई विल टेक. I think so now everyone has revised. Now in this video now they have used just one another sign of multiplication. You can see sometime in Google form also, and in these videos also, instead of multiplication sign they use this sign. So here just consider that this is multiplication sign. Huh? So what is the question? 45 multiplied by 2.5. So this is whole number and this is decimal number, because in that decimal point is given. You understood no why this is decimal number and why this is whole number?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that is decimal number because in that decimal point is given. And this is whole number because that is complete. No decimal point is
Yes.
given. Now Shafiq, read that upside box.
Yes, ma'am.
That upside box you have to read.
Yes.
मैम सेफ को रीड कर रहे दो,
किसको?
सेफ को, वो कब का मुझे चैट बॉक्स में बोल रहा है.
मैंने अभी रीड किया था, उसका नहीं था. मैं मतलब अल्पा मैम का लेक्चर था ना, तब मैं आ गई थी ना जल्दी, तो उसकी आईडी तो नहीं थी.
अभी आ गया है वो.
हाँ, so after Shafiq his turn.
ओके.
हाँ Shafiq.
Consider 2.5 as 25 and do the simple multiplication.
हाँ. So consider 2.5 as 25. So in that example, just now I have shown that textual example. In that 1.25 multiplied by 7 was given. But we have just ignored this and we have multiplied 125 multiplied by 7. अभी भी हमने वही किया था, डेसिमल पॉइंट को इग्नोर किया था और 1.25 के बदले 125 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया था. एंड हियर आल्सो द सेम थिंग, 2.5 के बदले 25, डेसिमल पॉइंट को इग्नोर. So step 1, इग्नोर डेसिमल पॉइंट एंड मल्टीप्लाई. डेसिमल पॉइंट को इग्नोर कर देना है, उसको ध्यान नहीं देना है और नॉर्मल तरीके से मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. तो यहाँ पे 45 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2.5, उसके बदले 45 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 25. So now you only do 45 multiplied by 25. So do you want to do no? 45 multiplied by 25. So do that.
Yes, ma'am.
So first those who want to try, they will try. Means those who want to try. Other all can wait.
Ma'am, ma'am, I know the answer. I solved.
Very good. Wait for 2 minutes only. Then I can't wait. And after finishing, just write in the chat box that again I can take your turn. And write in the chat box that I have finished or anything, whatever you want to write.
Mumbai, Pariyan, Shafiq.
Okay, good. And write in the chat box that I can ask you. I can take your
No,
turn.
Mayas Bidda, I have finished. હવે 2 મિનિટ ઉભા રહ્યો. અયસ બિદ્દા ऐसा लिख रहा है कि I have finished. Sir, ma'am,
Yes.
can I say?
Who? Mohammad Ali?
मोहम्मद रजा.
Yes.
मोहम्मद
Means
रजा बुलाने का उसे.
or merchant Mohammad Ali?
Merchant Mohammed Ali.
ओए, तू भी नहीं था अभी हिंदी के लेक्चर में? मैंने देखा था सबका नाम. तू भी नहीं था ना तब?
हाँ.
Okay. हाँ, so you can write your name in the chat box and turn by turn I will ask.
मैं बोलूंगा सबके नाम. ये उसने रेज एंड कर दिया.
And I think so Shafiq's turn has also come and Arman turn.
मैम ये माहिर बोल रहा है डन.
Okay. So first I will ask to whose turn has not come and whose names are also written in the chat box.
ओ मोहम्मद अली मर्चेंट.
To him I will ask, but there will be 4 or 5 steps. So I will need 4 or 5 students.
ओके तो चैट बॉक्स में देख के आपको बताता हूँ.
हाँ. Now last 30 seconds, then I will not wait.
हसन कपासी. फिर ये सैफ. પછી फिर रागिब. फिर ये रशीदा मर्चेंट. कौन है ये? मोहम्मद अली मर्चेंट. और ये रेहान शेख.
Okay. Okay, now time is up. Muhammad Ali, you only start now. Let me change the color.
यस मैम.
हाँ. Tell me 5 5s.
अरे मैं शफीक को बोलो ना ताली बजा रहा है. चैट बॉक्स में ऐसा सब भेज रहा है.
You take the screenshot and send me because right now my screen is present. I can't see.
ओके. हेलो मैम.
Yes, Shafiq.
5 5 से 25. sama mama.
हाँ, Zed, say what?
मैम 5 5 से 25. मैम मैं बाकी हूँ.
हाँ, Zed, I will ask to you also. Muhammad Ali, where should I write 25? 5 कहाँ? 2 कहाँ?
5 नीचे और 2 ऊपर.
Okay, good. Then next step, Ahad, say the next name.
Ma'am, this is second sum only because I am not there.
हाँ.
After that 1.27 20. Yes, ma'am. Hello. Ma'am, that is after sum of that 1.25.
हाँ, after that this is the
That rough work not you have explained that after we have to done that method 1.25.
हाँ. After that now this is new.
That only it is.
No, this is new.
Before it any sum we have done or not done?
This we have not done before. Ahad, are you giving me name?
Only
Or should-
that only no.
Ragib, your voice is breaking a lot. So I'm just telling you after that textual example 1.25 multiplied by 7. This is another question, new question. Okay. So this also you have to try in the rough book. Yes, now tell me the name no chat box.
Ma'am, only that sum 1.25.
Person can say
1.25 is our last sum before this.
That was last.
ma'am, person can say
Okay, ma'am, 1.25
Yes.
plus 13 will carry.
Ma'am, 5 fours are 20.
Then
Plus 2, 22.
and tell me the next name from the chat box, Hassan.
Arpat,
Yes,
Arpat
ma'am.
Lemon.
His turn has come, Shafiq's turn. Some other whose turn has not
Sheikh
come.
Rian,
First,
Sheikh Rian, Sheikh Rian, Sheikh Rian.
okay, Rehan, do you want to say the next means the rule if you remember?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Let me change the color. हाँ से यहाँ पे सेकेंड लाइन में फर्स्ट क्या रखते थे यहाँ पे
0.
यस गुड एंड देन
5 to the 10.
वेरी गुड नाउ म्यूट योर माइक रेहान ओके गुड नेक्स्ट नेम अहद
Yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट नेम
ये नेक्स्ट टाइम तो आपको अभी भेज नहीं रहा है तो भी मैं देख लेता हूँ
इफ नो
समा
न्यू
मोहम्मद जैद माय टर्न इज नॉट कम
हाँ जेड से
मैम 4 2 जा 8
हाँ
Ma'am, I got the answer.
हाँ अभी चुप बैठ 4 2 जा 8 plus 1 9
यस अहद नेक्स्ट नेम
और ढोलिया
Ma'am, can you like
ए चल तो मेल चंद आने दे
हाँ अहद से द टोटल ऑफ दिस
5 plus 0 5 2 plus 0 2 2 plus 9 11
हु गॉट दिस आंसर
मैम और ढोलिया
Ma'am, I got this. Ma'am, 25.
Ma'am, Hassan Kapasi also got answer.
मोहम्मद जैद
ओके
Ma'am, 1102.
पर मेरा आंसर रॉन्ग है पर तू चुप तो बैठो मैंने 1005
This
लिखा
number
1005 लिख दिया मैम
okay now mute your mic everyone so you can see we
मेरा आंसर
this
रॉन्ग है
answer yes क्यों
के बदले
क्या
0 रख
मिस्टेक हो गई
दिया टू
if
के
you want
बदले
to check
0 रख
again
दिया
check
मेरे आंसर में बुक में
okay
मैम ये आंसर को बोलो ना अरमान
so
ट्यूशन
you can
फी
see we got
700 रुपया
I said no you take the screenshot and send me right now if I will go again in Google Meet then how I will teach this and if I will check also everything is recording that's why you
ओके
take the screenshot and send me that's so you can see we got this answer now next step was that we have to count that in the question after decimal point how many places are there so in our question is 45 multiplied by 2.5 so in 2.5 you can see after decimal point how many digits are there right
1
side 1 yes so only you can see one that one digit is only decimal place which is 10th place understood no this 10th place that
Yes,
everyone
ma'am.
after decimal point only one place is there right side 10th place so that was after multiplying this we have to count this so we have counted that only one place is there. Then after counting, we have to put decimal point after one digit only because we got one. You can see from right side, huh? That's why they have highlighted that 5. And this is our answer. Again, I'm showing that in the question after decimal point, only one decimal place is there. That's why in answer also. From right side, after skipping one digit, we will put decimal point. Hope this much is clear. Now, if it is clear, then you will be able to solve the next. So I'm just taking a small test. So this one is normal multiplication because there is no decimal point. Now, do you find any difference in these three? Difference or any similarity?
Ma'am, I
Sub
found.
same?
Ma'am,
Yes,
three.
yes.
Ma'am, I also. All the three are different. First one is normal number, and second both number are decimal number.
Yes.
And
So,
in first one, no decimal point. In second number, after 12 is decimal point, and in third number, after 1 is decimal point.
so here no decimal point. Here after decimal point, only one decimal place is there. And here how many decimal places are there?
2.
Means 2. So that is difference. So those who just know normal multiplication, they will do only this one. And those who also know that where to put the decimal point, they can do this too also. जिसको पता है कि कैसे काउंट करना है क्वेश्चन में से कि डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद कितने डेसिमल प्लेसेस है और उस हिसाब से आंसर में भी डेसिमल पॉइंट रखना होता है, जिसको पता हो दे कैन डू दिस टू ऑल्सो. जिसको अभी भी डाउट है and those who only know normal multiplication, they can do this. It's 9:26, so 2 minutes, then we will solve this. So do the normal multiplication. जिसको डेसिमल पॉइंट रखना भी आता हो आंसर में, वो बाकी के दो कर सकते हैं. And after completing, tell me also orally and write in the chat box also.
मैम मेरे चैट बॉक्स में लिखने का नहीं आ रहा है.
हाँ तो बोल क्या लिखना है, मैं लिख देता हूँ.
After you finish, no, tell to
क्या
him. He
लिखना
will.
है?
I think so. He wanted to write after finishing that my sum is finished that way.
मेरा तो आ रहा है, देखो मेरा तो
Then last to done.
आ रहा है, मैं तो लिख भी रहा हूँ. हाँ लिखा देखो.
मैम,
Yes, who?
इन तीनों का सेम ही है.
मैम
एक डिफरेंस है.
स्क्रीनशॉट भी भेजने का है.
And ask me one by one. What?
मैम इस तीनों का आंसर सेम ही है बट डिफरेंट है.
हाँ, डेसिमल पॉइंट सिर्फ अलग अलग जगह पे होगा. पहले में डेसिमल पॉइंट आएगा ही नहीं. दूसरे और तीसरे में आंसर में डेसिमल पॉइंट होगा बट अलग अलग जगह पे.
मैम मेरा मैसेज आपसे नहीं जा रहा है. फेल्ड टू सेंड आ रहा है.
It's okay.
लेकिन मेरा
tell
हो
me
गया
orally.
दोनों सम.
Okay, good.
मैम हसन के पास
ओके.
मैम इसके स्क्रीनशॉट भी भेजने के आंसर्स के.
नहीं. It's
मैम
okay.
मेरा सब भेज रहा हूँ तो फेल्ड हो रहा है.
I trust you, those who are trying. इतना तो भी भरोसा है कि तुम जो ट्राई कर रहे हैं, जो बोल रहे हैं, वो एक्चुअली में ट्राई कर रहे हैं. Because I'm not forcing. If you want to try, you can. And if you don't want to try, then wait. Simple. You can see in the hand.
मैम हसन के पास
Okay,
done.
good. Now let's start. Oh, Saif is there still, or he left?
मैम can I say the solve. हाँ मैम
Seth,
सेफ
do
है।
you want to read the heading? Seth, do you want to read the heading? Question 1. And Mahir is there? Okay, and I'm only reading this. So you can see multiply only the first in the series. So
मैम can I call a clarification?
नहीं, I am only reading now. So multiply only the first in the series. तो series मतलब ये तीनों दिए हैं, उसमें से पहला वाला ही सिर्फ multiply करना है. Multiply only the first. पहला वाला ही multiply करना है. फिर क्या लिखा है? Then use the rule of decimal. फिर डेसिमल पॉइंट कहाँ रखना है वो वाला रूल करके बाकी